Hi, my name is Justin and I'm with ExcelGainz. Today I'm going to show you how to do the concatenation formula, which is a quick way to join text strings in separate cells. It's as simple as that. It just combines the text of two or more cells and puts it into one. So I'm going to start by clicking E3 and hitting the FX, which is the formula builder, to insert a function. Hit OK. Text 1 is going to be the street name. Text 2, this is a coding trick in Excel. If you want to put spaces between your data in the concatenation formula, you'll put quote sign space quote. And then for text 3, I'm going to hit the town. And then once again, I'm going to do quote space quote. And for text 5, the zip code, and hit OK. And I'm going to double click this green square to bring it down. Now my data is in one cell represented in column E. Okay, one more example. Just say you have first and last names equals first name and sign, which is above the 7 while holding shift on the keyboard, quote space quote, same as before with the quote space quote, another and sign, and hit last name, hit enter. And then I'm going to double click this green square to drag this down as well. Now just notice it doesn't matter where the data is in the spreadsheet. Wherever you click and however you write your formula is how it's going to appear in the combined cell. So I chose C before B. And just a little bonus tip, if you put anything else in here, just say you wanted 3 dashes between the first and last name, anything you write between those quotes will appear in the formula. And I'll double click the intersection between columns D and E to resize the data. So that is concatenation and combining cells in Microsoft Excel. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.